Welcome. Thank you for taking the time to explore Management E-2600 financial statement analysis. Let me start by saying this is not an accounting class. We will not be talking about debits and credits in this class. We are going to avoid talking about debits and credits in this class. This class is about you being a financial analyst who is analyzing the performance of a company from the outside. We will be downloading financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and analyzing them. In the process, we are going to learn about every line item in these financial statements. We are going to analyze these line items. We're going to look to see how these line items have changed quarter over quarter or year over year. We are going to analyze the performance of a company against other companies in the same industry. Along the way, we are going to review time value of money, and we are going to talk about valuation as well. Now, let me talk a little bit about my background. I started off as an engineer, and I did my MBA in 2000, and I've been in the finance field since then. I started as a financial analyst and worked my way to being a chief financial officer, and I did that for 3 times, and I did that across multiple industries. I've been exposed to healthcare, telecommunication, education, software and services, and manufacturing. Now, let me talk a little bit about how we actually run this class online. Online classes have come a long way over the past 10 years. Online classes now are very interactive, and they are very synchronous. What do I mean by that? We are going to have a live web conference once a week for 2 hours. This web conference is going to be very interactive. You can raise your hand, we're going to have our videos turned on, and there'll be polls and there'll be questions. And you'll be able to draw on the experience of all of the students in the classroom who have been in different industries. The other thing about the classroom is I like to run the classroom as very interactive and very current. What that means is I'll be bringing a lot of relevant articles into the classroom, whether it's from the Wall Street Journal or from other publications. This allows us to really think about the material not only from an academic standpoint, but also from a practical standpoint, and talk about current events and how to actually apply the knowledge that we're learning to these current events. I hope that this video gives you a summary of this class, and I look forward to seeing you in the class.